Hey guys, this is episode 11, and due to someone's request, we thought, hey, why don't we evaluate our own brand? Back in around '02, I graduated with an IT degree. I went off to work for the newspaper industry, and people were moving from traditional more to online marketing. It started as an IT document imaging type company. That was J29 Global, and we were more an IT web shop. Then J29 Creative Group was founded. Yeah, just out the idea that there's a need, and being in marketing, overseeing marketing, we saw, hey, there's a missing piece in the industry. J29 Creative is actually a Bible verse. It's Jeremiah 29:11. For I know that the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope in the future.
You know, I'm curious what the story is behind the horse, because I actually don't know it.
This white horse is actually not a stallion. It's actually a weak white horse. A big part of our brand, J29 Creative Group, is I believe in a servant heart, humility, and is and oftentimes with brands and even digital marketing, a lot of entrepreneurs, you got to endure a lot of hardship to be successful. It's a tiring race instead of what people think. You just come out the gate and you're just killing it.
Yeah.
And the symbolism is it's actually a tired horse. But at the same time, there's that deep hidden message of, hey, we're that hope for businesses and organizations, because now we can give them their time back and help them with their marketing, at least take a part of the challenges that they might have in their business.
Jumping into the core values, you've got 5 here, which is funny because normally I tell my clients to give 3. What you've got here is give, love, serve, team, and transform. If I was really evaluating this, I would say, hey, drop 2. Give and serve are very similar. I would say probably removing one of those. Love also comes out of serving, right?
Yep.
So say the core values would be serve, team, and transform. But that'd be one thing that I would suggest, like maybe cleaning up a little bit, is the values, because the values you want to really stand firm in, and not just to be pretty words that come from something else or a great idea. Now, jumping down to the look and feel and the logo, I think it's interesting how it's like changed, like from J29 Global to J29 Creative Group is completely different. They look like 2 different companies. Why did you change it in 2016?
The main reasons is we want to just simplify our look and feel. Brands that I remember are kind of like Nike or a symbol,
right, and
not so much spelling it all out.
I think the whole like swoopy thing is personally not my favorite. It kind of feels very fun and very playful. At the same time, I can kind of see why you did it, because it's like it flows from one team to another to like it's all a process. But yeah, I think overall, really the heart and the soul of the company is super, like really strong and really there. Every single business, if there was not areas of improvement, you're literally being stale.
Even as a founder of the company, is just be open-minded, because it's good to listen and hear other people's opinion and have that evaluation point, because if you work and you see your business logo or your brand day in and day out, sometimes we can lose touch. It's so important. We've been talking a lot about branding. The reason is without guidelines, without a vision, I think things fail. Sometimes your employees might not even understand who you are really at the core of a company. I remember working at corporations where, you know, I didn't really know the core. I just did my job. That's so important, because that's what makes these big brands where people have loyalty and come back year after year.
Without a true strong vision, and if a company's not really grounded in who they are with that vision, probably not going to really succeed. Well, that is episode 11, and we showed off J29 today. And as always, like, comment, share, do all the fun stuff. And hey, if you have a logo or brand you want us to evaluate, send it to hey@j29creative.com. Thanks, we'll see you again next week.